Join me as I apply for 100 remote jobs in just one day and see if I can land at least one interview. The world of work has changed dramatically over the past few years, and remote jobs are becoming the norm. With more and more companies embracing flexible work arrangements, the opportunities for remote work have never been greater. If you're looking to make a change and join the ranks of remote workers, you're in the right place. One of the biggest challenges people face when looking for remote work is the competition. There are often many applicants for a single position, making it tough to stand out. Another challenge is simply finding out about available remote jobs. Many companies don't advertise their remote positions widely, making it hard to know where to look. Many job seekers also struggle with creating a home office setup that works for them, or finding ways to stay motivated while working from home. And then there's the issue of time zones. When you're working with a team across different time zones, it can be tricky to communicate and collaborate effectively. The tech industry is one of the biggest hubs for remote work, with companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and IBM offering a range of remote positions. But it's not just tech industries like customer service, marketing, and even healthcare are also hiring remote workers. For example, companies like Convergys and SYKES are hiring remote customer service reps, while companies like American Well and Teladoc are hiring remote healthcare professionals. Marketing roles are also in high demand, with companies like HubSpot and Buffer offering remote positions. So, how can you stand out in your remote job search? One key insight is to optimize your online presence. Make sure your LinkedIn profile is up-to-date and professional, and consider creating a personal website or blog to showcase your skills. Networking is also crucial. Connect with other remote workers and join online communities related to your field to learn about job opportunities and get tips on the application process. Your resume and cover letter should also be tailored to remote work. Highlight your ability to work independently and manage your time effectively. And don't be afraid to think outside the box. Consider freelancing or taking on a part-time remote role to get your foot in the door. In summary, we've covered the growing trend of remote work, the challenges of finding remote jobs, and some tips for standing out in your job search. With hundreds of remote jobs available across a range of industries, there's never been a better time to make the switch. If you're interested in learning more about remote work, be sure to check out my other video on 10 remote job interview questions you need to prepare for. And if you've had any experiences with remote work, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments.